Ready to crush FC 2025 at 60 FPS on a budget? Let's dive in. Alright gamers, let's talk about building a killer budget PC to run FC 2025 at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. For just $600, you can get your hands on an AMD Ryzen 5 5600 CPU paired with a Radeon RX 6650 XT GPU, throw in 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 500 GB NVMe SSD, and a solid B550 motherboard, and you're good to go. Got a bit more to spend? For around $1,000, upgrade to an Intel Core i5 14400F and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. This setup not only handles FC 2025 with ease but also future-proofs your rig. Add 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and a B660 motherboard, and you'll be gaming in style. Prefer AMD? We've got an alternative build featuring the Ryzen 5 7600 and Radeon RX 7800 XT. It's a beast for around $1,200, giving you more power and flexibility. Whichever build you choose, you'll be dominating FC 2025 at 60 FPS without burning a hole in your wallet. Happy gaming, budget warriors!